Now we're going to do amalgamation U. A lot of amalgamations are just to get you used to using other steps you've learnt and show how you can combine them. And that's indeed what this one is for. Again, remember you can slow the music right down for beginner level or speed it right up. So we're going to make tap step ball change to the side, pick up hop toe hop. Pendulums. Now you can make any type of pendulums, so look at my pendulum video. You might want to do them with a wing if you're a better standard, and a preparation for a wing. Now we're on the left foot, free to begin again. Tap step, ball change, pick up hop, toe hop, pendulum, pendulum, preparation wing. And you see we finish with a dig, so we can use this foot again. Tap step, ball change to the side, pick up hop, toe hop. Tap step, ball change, pick up hop, toe hop, pendulum, pendulum, preparation for a wing. One more go. Tap step, ball change, pick up hop, toe hop, pendulum, pendulum, prep for wing. Let's try with some music. Amalgamation V. Again, I'm going to do this as a casual one because some of you might be more beginner or intermediate level than advanced. Again, speed it up with faster music if you want. And also by using slower music, you're going to be able to work on your arms and headlines. So we're going to make brush, cross, toe, clap, brush, uncross, ball change, step. Repeat on the other foot. 1, 2, 3, clap 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 2 slow flaps. So it's like flapping and pausing, flapping and pausing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a cramp roll. Again, you can choose if you want to do 4 beat, 5 beat, 6 beat. Then jump in the air and hit the heels together to finish. Then we start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, clap 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, pause 8. Do it round the other way. And 1, 2, 3, clap 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, clap 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Flap 1, hold 2, flap 3, hold 4, clap roll 6, 7, hold 8. Let's try with some music.